Safe Routes to School program is ensuring that kids get to school safely in a timely fashion, increasing physical activity, and then the walking school bus being just one component of that. The walking school bus program was a conversation that Youth Service Network was having with the YMCA.
We have been talking about where we could get funding to really start the walking school bus. And when the health department came up with the We Choose Health grant, then the Y said this sounds like a perfect place.
Well, the YMCA couldn't do this alone. Without the Health of Youth Services Network, the health department, the housing authority, the city, the school district, we wouldn't be this successful.
You know, government partners and not-for-profits at the table is not uncommon, but what is uncommon is the kind of collaboration that this program has really achieved. Again, it's gone beyond the feeling of a program to just becoming the right thing to do.
On the surface, it just seems like we're walking kids to school, but it's a gateway to get the kids there on time, get them there for breakfast, which gets them a healthy meal before school starts, and it gives them the time and the opportunity to just be prepared and ready for the day.
So it really served a lot of different areas. In that case, the relationship with the health department was imperative. They really were the driving force behind getting the walking school bus initiative going.
One of the main concerns with Youth Service Network is tardies and truancy, and making sure that children get to school on time and in a safe manner.
Truancy is an issue throughout the country. It isn't just in Rockford. It's an issue in every community in the United States. And so our role at Youth Services Network, along with the school district, is to make sure that students get to school and they get to school on time. And many families in Rockford don't have transportation. So if their students don't get out of the house on time, they're going to be late and tardy. And also there is a safety concern, and we saw that if there was, for example, a shooting or an armed robbery in a neighborhood, the attendance in that neighborhood would drop the next day because parents were concerned about the safety of their children walking.
And we asked them, what do you want in your neighborhood? What do you want in your house? They weren't looking for playgrounds. They weren't looking for fun activities. You had 6 to 10-year-old kids saying, stop the shooting, stop the violence.
Just the adults and others in the community have really rallied around this. There's people a grandma who stands out on her porch every morning and makes sure the light's on for when it's dark outside when the kids walk by. And she does not leave that porch until the last child on the walking school bus walks through. She's like an extra layer of protection.
The fear of going out into the environment where this violence was occurring, I think, was pretty high. And this was a way to address that fear, to show that we could create a safe route to school, that we wouldn't have to worry about the kids as they were walking. And I think ultimately this walking school bus really overcame that objection.
We're thinking that this is a great way to address issues with tardies and potentially truancy issues. And hopefully down the road we'll be able to see some changes in academic achievement, some improvements in academic achievement.
There is just such a need for help in getting kids to school and helping families who don't have transportation to be able to take their kids to school. And this is, in my opinion, a wonderful answer to that.